Well, the past few years, we've had some major power outages, mainly caused by Mother Nature. We had ice storms, and of course, who can forget the big windstorm? That knocked power out all over the greater Cincinnati area. Well, what you need is a way to put power back into your home when there's a power outage, and I've got the answer for that. It's a Kohler standby generator, and you really need to look into one of these, especially if you have infants at home, elderly folks at home. Remember, when the power goes out, so does the heat, and infants and elderly certainly need the heat, and also that'll keep the pipes from freezing. If you travel for your job and you're away from your home, again, the heat issue, spoiled food in a refrigerator, the sump pump goes out, or if you work from home, the computers, the copying machine, all those go out during a power failure. So we're going to meet up with Vic Spang of Buckeye Power Sales. Well, Vic, let's talk a little bit about power outages. I know we've had a lot of them in the last couple of years, and portable generators seem to be the answer. You can establish a little bit of electricity in your home, but that's not always the best thing to use.
No, when you have a power outage, Gary, you've lost power, it's dark, it's a chaotic time for everybody.
Yeah, and even getting gas can be difficult. I know the pumps go down and your generator's got to be tuned up.
You need to make sure you pull the generator out of the garage for safety's sake and so forth. So it's a cumbersome time.
Well, you got a great answer to this problem. Tell me what you have here.
Well, yes, we do, sir. We have two parts to a generator. It's an automatic standby system. The generator's mounted permanently outside. You have the automatic transfer switch inside. It's kind of the brains to the system. Generator's kind of the brawn.
All right, so when the power actually fails, this guy kicks on. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir. This monitors the utility power. As you can tell from here, you have a green light on your power pole coming into the house. When we actually lose power, the switch monitors that utility, starts the generator automatically, and then within 10 to 12 seconds, you're powered by the generator.
What is powering the generator?
The natural gas is powered by natural gas or LP. Those are the two most
All right, well,
common.
can we turn it off?
Well, sure we can.
All right,
yes.
let's shut it down.
All right.
We're having a power failure here. Go ahead.
When I pull this switch, we're going to be in the dark for just a few seconds.
All right, well, go ahead and pull it. All right, so the storm blew in. We have an ice storm. The tree limb fell across the wire. The computers go out. My refrigerator isn't working. My sump pump could be overflowing, ruining my basement.
There you go.
That's it?
That it.
That is it.
10 to 12 seconds, you're on.
So now we're not running on we're not running on the municipal power, if you will. We're actually running on the generator?
On the generator.
Very cool.
Yes, sir.
That is very cool.
Yep, and this will monitor the power, and then when it comes back and stabilizes, you'll see the green light come on, which would simulate your utility. The generator would retransfer back, and you'll be back on utility power as normal.
Wow, it's all automatic. How great is that? You could be out of town and still have power. That's pretty cool.
Yep.
Don't have to worry about dragging that portable out. Now, let me ask you this. What kind of things can we power? Why are people getting the standby generator?
Well, more and more people are working out of their house. There are elderly at home. There are life support things, safety equipment at home. The advent of more people working out of their house requesting standby power.
Sure. Now, if you wanted to do just part of the home, could you do that? I know this is doing the whole home, correct? Could I just run my sump pump and refrigerator?
Yes, this gentleman here has the whole house on his generator, but you can pare that down to get your 8, 10, 12 most critical circuits. Sump pumps, refrigerators, security system, garage door.
The important things,
yes,
if you
sir.
want.
Yeah.
You could label them accordingly. It's separate boxes. Now, Buckeye Power Sales has the Kohler Power Systems. You do the service and everything on these?
We're here local, do sales, service, and warranty on this equipment, yes.
That is very cool. That's something you might want to consider. Again, remember, it's Buckeye Power Sales. They have the Kohler Power Systems.